So I'm in Bucharest, in less than 600 meters. I'll have to make a turn to the right and I'll see where I have to go after that. But yeah, it's a really chill atmosphere right here near Șoseaua Colentinei. The neighborhood well known for its bad boys in the 90s and before that. The guys from Berceni and Colentina. But yeah, this pretty much is the city. With its inhabitants. Don't worry about the red light on the gasoline. It just shows like this. I have just as I told you, just a bit less than a quarter of a tank of gasoline, so way more than enough. But this is just how the gas probe installed by the LPG guys works. So although I draw only LPG, the indicator shows as I would have consumed gas. So yeah, welcome to the traffic of Bucharest. No, here there are no rules, no nothing. I'll be right back, guys. Behind me on the second lane I have a guy with an electric two-wheel, I don't know how to call it, not scooter, but yeah, you'll see him right now. That one. At least his sunshades are yellow, so he can see better at night. Jesus, man. I'll be back. Let's see if these guys cross on the red light or yeah. Okay. Come on, Ukraine. So right now we passed near the Greek Orthodox Church, with which is built just like a Greek temple, an ancient Greek temple, and it also has a beautiful waterfall or a park there, a small park. But I am really I really have to be careful here on these streets. Without the GPS, I mean, I would be the son of the rain. I would be lost here. We're on the tram tracks. This is how we roll here in Bucharest. this is Calea Călăraș. Yeah. But I will soon reach my my destination here in Bucharest, and hopefully after that I will manage to go on the highway towards the seaside. I'm so lost. So it's green and got look on all ways. Yeah, this is something familiar. Calea Călăraș. I used to walk through this area during the college. Ready, guys? I managed to, let's say, to solve at least to return what I had to.
Virează la dreapta pe strada Trifoi.
Strada
Apoi virează
Trifoi,
la
da.
stânga pe alea Matei Basarab.
Although you can smell the air right here in Bucharest, nothing.
Virează la dreapta pe strada Trifoi. Apoi virează la stânga pe alea Matei Basarab.
It cannot be compared with the one in Brașov, but although it smells like Teen Spirit after a Nirvana concert,
Virează la dreapta pe Calea Călăraș.
the nostalgia and the joy of seeing once again these places after 20 years since I used to be
În 400 de metri.
in college.
Virează la dreapta pe strada de la Nouă.
Yeah, it's really something. Okay, I will make a short stop at a gas station for just a short stop, short bio, and after that I will try to go as fast as possible to the
Virează la dreapta pe strada de la Nouă.
highway. I will not go as the GPS tells me, because I need to get there first to make that stop. So I'll see you right back. So the refuel is over. Now let's head to the seaside. Man, Bucharest is, I tell you, something special.
Continuă tot înainte pe bulevardul Basarabia.
So right now the actual gas level is let's say over a quarter of the tank for
În
sure.
100 de metri. De pe primele două
As soon as I will
continuă
reach
tot
the highway,
înainte pe
I
bulevardul
will
Basarabia.
be back. This area is looking similar to Constanza. Just like this, that flat over there with these trees. It's and this one again in the top. I'm getting there. I must admit, I do not know this area. It's new to me. Rosarium. So right here we have another waterfall park that resembles the one in Constanza, found near the train station there. But I really have to be careful with the way the green lights are here. It's such a mess. I mean, they give you the green light if you have to make a turn to the left. At least right now I know I have the right of way. But you see, these guys also have red light, and you need to go in the middle of the intersection and stop there. I mean, it's something you don't find anywhere in Brașov. It's oh man, and I think I should be on the right lane here. Let's see if somebody will let me. No. Just like original Bucurestians, original inhabitants of Bucharest. Hai mă, duceți-vă. Nici ăsta nu mă lasă. Unul mă să zici, bă, uite mă, at least one. Because I'm not from around here. But yeah, you see, there is only a one lane street, and of course I had no idea. Yeah guys, I'll be right back as soon as I escape this madness. And finally, from here I know the way. So it's the boulevard that takes us straight to the highway to Constanza. But yeah.
În 800 de metri. De pe orice bandă, continuă tot înainte pe bulevardul Teodor Cala.
Straight ahead. I must admit, the people here are something special. Something special, I tell you. But I am simply too happy to be disturbed by this. I love experiencing the madness in the traffic here in Bucharest, even on this weekend day. So on a Saturday, imagine how it is during the weekdays. You see how important it is to have trees in the cities. They can turn into a beautiful and more bearable place, even the worst looking neighborhood or ghetto. I always liked this road due to this thing. And it is really hot outside, 35 to 36 actual degrees Celsius. Almost there. Let's take the car for a wash right here. Nice. Have to charge the phone soon. Right now I'm charging the other two GoPro batteries on the way. And soon we'll be on the highway. Right now we're exiting Bucharest.